Hey, how are you doing? Thought you might like to get unready with me. It is a little echoey in my tiny little bathroom, so I apologize for that, but this is where we all get unready, isn't it? So first, let's get these false eyelashes off. Oh, that feels good right there. Next, I'm gonna get my hair out of the way. This was given to me for free several years ago by a company called Quickie Cap, and it sat in a box for years because I don't have much hair to cover up. But, okay, don't laugh. It's not the prettiest, but it does the job. Hi, Colby. Could you maybe give me a minute? Just a few minutes. You need to go up there? Thank you. That's the entrance to the catio. I'm a big believer in double cleansing, and there are a lot of different ways you can double cleanse. I like a cleansing oil. This one I am not super pleased with. I got Speedy Mo a couple of years ago, and I really liked that and purchased it a few times, and then when I was online and needed it, this is the one they had. I couldn't find that one, so I got this, and I don't like it as much. But it does take the makeup off. So we'll get, oh, this is gonna make a big mess, you guys, and I always kind of like making this big mess. It's kind of fun. Just dissolve all that makeup off. Especially the eye makeup. I will be honest that usually I do this in the shower, so I'm gonna disappear now while I rinse in the sink. So you can see, that does a terrific job of getting all of the makeup off. Now for my second cleanse, when I'm wearing a lot of makeup, I like to use a cleanser that's got salicylic acid. This is by Paula's Choice, and it is a pore normalizing cleanser. This is great when you get little breakouts like that. Helps prevent it. And back in for a rinse. Oh, it is good to be clean. Oh. I follow that up with Bravina's Night Renewal Serum. They just came out with this a few months ago, back in December, so it's a really new product on the market. Bravina's Night Renewal Serum is not just a fantastic hydrator, but it was formulated to address dark spots and pigmentation gently. So instead of using harsh lighteners like hydroquinone or retinol, which really thrashes my skin, they have a cocktail of all these different antioxidants that also have lightening powers, like licorice root and beta-carotene and niacinamide. And I love it because it sinks right in. It just like, I'm gonna follow that up with Bravina's Overnight Cream. Now, all Bravina products are formulated for ultra-sensitive, aging skin. So if your skin is reactive like mine, thank you, hormones. It actually calms down the inflammation. And it helps address signs of aging at the same time. you know, those pesky fine lines and wrinkles and dullness, and we need our plumping and hydration. I had been using a retinol product that I got from the drugstore a while ago, and boy did that thrash my skin. And then I started using my Bravina again, and it just went right back to normal. I also take the Bravina overnight cream and I slather it on my neck and chest, because that skin needs some loving too. And if I ever have any pimples coming up, I always apply a pimple patch that I get at CVS. These are hydrocolloid and they are lifesavers. If you have a little whitehead coming up, just put one of these patches on it and it is gone in the morning. It is way cool. Get a little Cuticle Bomb on my hands, also from Bravina. They are today's sponsor. I do a lot of gardening and a lot of construction work around the house, not professionally, obviously. So this Cuticle Bomb really takes good care of my hands and is great just before I go to bed at night. And that is it. Thank you for getting unready with me. I love you bunches. I hope you have an awesome rest of your day, and I will talk to you very soon. Clean skin at last, the way I like to be.